Well guys, we have got our Blue Yeti microphone, so without wasting any time, let's have its first look. Well, in this video we will be doing unboxing of the Blue Yeti microphone, as well as we'll do the sound test of this microphone. And from now onwards, my all videos will be with this microphone, so the voice quality, audio quality will be way higher for you guys. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Interesting video. Well guys, you can see I have got the Blue Yeti mic on from order from Amazon, and we'll be unboxing the Amazon box that is come to. Let us see what's inside the box that we have got from Amazon. Here we can see when we have unboxed, we have got the Blue Yeti microphone box. Let us throw the Amazon box little outside. So this is the Blue Yeti microphone, guys. So let us have a look of the Blue Yeti microphone box, outer covering, how it looks. So when we are zooming it in and out, this box looks like this. We have got the box into a silver color. This is the side part of the box that we have got. There are lots of features that they have given in the side part. This is another part of the box that we got, in which they have shown all the functions. Next, some interesting and funny stuffs about the Blue Yeti informations, how this looks. So let us open the Blue Yeti box and we'll see what we have got inside the Blue Yeti microphone. So let us open it up and turn the box through. Let's turn off the box out. So you can see I am going to open up the box and let us see in depth from the top section what we have got. First, we can see in the box we have got a USB connector port. This USB connector, you can connect it with your laptop and use an Audacity to record the voice on this video. Next, we have got some manuals with this Yeti box. Some user manual. You can see this is a user manual that we have got. Some paper stuffs that we have that you can read afterwards if you can get. Next is some warranty, I guess. Why requires something. This is not much matter. Let us throw the box outside. Next, that was the connector. This is the only connector that we have got, and yes, this is the Blue Yeti microphone, guys. So let me open up the other box subsection. Some thermocol section says here, and we are opening up the Blue Yeti microphone. This is the drum roll, guys. Dum 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 dum. This is the Blue Yeti microphone. So let us finally turn up. We have got again recap of what we have got. This is some user manuals, some other things, and this is the Blue Yeti microphone that we are waiting up, and you are also guys waiting up for as long a time. We have unboxed. This is how it looks like. I have got the Blue Yeti mic into a silver color, and this is a turn up down. So this is the front view of the Blue Yeti microphone. It comes with a mesh type, and let me zoom in. So in the front section you can see the mute button, and we get a volume button too. If you are connecting in headphone, you can listen your voice, how much voice you're recording, how much your voice are coming up or something. This is a side view B-roll of this video. Hope you are liking this video, guys. So from the back section you can see there is a gain button and a pattern for getting the various amount of voices. This is the mesh thread, guys. This is, I guess, some steels. It is made up of steels, mesh thread, guys. So let me tell you this. I have seen in the YouTube videos, this is the gain button of the how much voice that should be good. So for optimum gain button, it should be after a little bit after the GAIN afterwards. So this is the one pattern for interview purposes, omnidirectional. This is cardiac voice that you have to use if you are using for a single person, and this is an interview option. So always you can use for a cardiac this positions. It is the optimal position. The gain should be at this moment at these positions, and the cardiac pattern should be in this one. So this is the side view of how the Blue Yeti mic looks. This is the front view of the Blue Yeti microphone. You can see this is a blue, and if you want to give a mute, you can click on this mute button, and when the event will start blinking, this means this is working. It is the volume button, then you can listen your voice as well. If you click on the mute button, if the light is blinking up, then this will be recorded, and if the light is not blinking, it means it started recording. So you can see there is a headphone jack also, 3mm jack, headphone jack, and this is the hole in which you can hang the microphone upside down, and this is the other connector that you have to connect this USB cable that we have got with this box with our computer or other cameras as well. If you are using a camera, I guess you need to have the OTG cable or something. This is the side knob which is used for locking up the Blue Yeti microphone. Hope you can see this one, guys. So one will be turning up in the clockwise and one should be in the anti-clockwise to slog, and the vice versa. You have to, again, one will be in the anti-clockwise and one will be the in clockwise direction to lock and unlock the Blue Yeti microphone. So this is how it looks. Mute button will be for mute. If I forgot, the sound that you're listening in right now is from the Blue Yeti microphone. Sound test 1. Hirak Avenger is the biggest YouTuber of making money online Shopify dropshipping business. I hope you have liked the sound of this Blue Yeti microphone, guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel Hirak Avenger. Give this video a big thumbs up, like this video right now, and comment below if you have any doubts or if you don't understand anything of this video of unboxing, or how you don't know how to use the plugins or something else, some options of the gain options or something. Let me know in the comment section and share this video with all of your friends and all. Hope to see you in my next video, and from now all of my videos will be recorded on this Blue Yeti microphone, guys. So I hope the audio quality will be very much higher and higher quality for you guys, and more interesting stuffs and knowledgeable stuffs are coming for you to make money online and drop shipping and Shopify strategies on Facebook ads, Google ads and all. Make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe right now, and I'll meet you on my next upcoming video. So bye bye.